This is the concrete mixer what I was ordering online shop here in Philippines. It's Lazada, and they were saying that this is 850 watts, but I'm not sure. I was opening also the motor, electric motor here, and there is nothing, no any details. What is the size? But we will see how it goes when I plug in, and we can try. I just put back that box. It's working nicely and not taking so much electricity. No any problem in our system. 1500 watts inverter, and we have a 1.1 kilowatt panel now. Later we will add more and make it bigger system, but for now it seems to be okay, and soon we can start to mix the cement and gravel and sand and a little bit water. All what we are doing here is gonna make with this, and even like now is not so sunny, we can use it. Here is there is a cement already, and we bring here everything, so it's very near, and I am the user of this machine mostly, and I make it the concrete ready, and then we start to put everything on. But that is another story. But I am very happy. This is second one like this mixer, and I haven't been any problem. Maybe this is little poor quality what I had before, but very similar. I think this electric motor was little better, but main thing is that when you're doing, it's no matter sun or shadow, you can run it, and no delay, you can do it all the time, your work, and as much we need I can do with this. My old pack is not allowed to make it hand, so this is valuable machine for us here, and as I said, we are off grid, so that is the reason why so small. But I'm happy with this, and I will show later how it's run in real action. Hello, it's Monday already. We have visitors in our house. Has been raining quite much here. I didn't know because in city wasn't rain, and tomorrow maybe tropical storm is coming, but last week was quite good. Now we have basically finished up every digging, and one of the men removed spare soil, and we have finishing up all the columns is ready. It's this 16 mm is welded, and then 12 is put in its ring, and these are the under for column and beam, of course. Probably we are today here some hours if the weather is not getting very bad, and tomorrow and after tomorrow we are not here. The typhoon break But this looking good. We are ready to install this right away when weather is okay. Extra soil is storage here now. Later it's going there in landscaping under of our chicken tractors, so it's not stays here. But I'm quite happy. Even this week is what it is, but and you can see how we have putting. Some say that is standard when you're building here, but very rarely I have seen. But now we have bending like that and good welding, so everything looks very good.